Hi, Steve Sigismund here from HomeZone Improvements in Grand Blanc, Michigan. The reason I'm making this short video today is to tell you all about our exclusive GreenGuard Protection Promise. This promise is unlike any other warranty in the industry. It basically says if you're not 100% completely satisfied and you can attribute it to the quality of our workmanship, we'll fix it and replace it on our dime 100%. Free yearly inspections on all of our workmanship. Free glass breakage forever. For any reason, you break your glass, we fix it, no questions asked. Screen repair. Tear and rip your screen for any reason, we replace it and fix it free of charge. Flashing checks, caulking checks. There's attic insulation cap off if it ever settles below the amount that you purchased. But if you want to first know the peace of mind you get from knowing that this GreenGuard protection is real, see what our customers have to say. Thousands of reviews on our website. And then when you want to know more or get an estimate for yourself, call us at 1-800-HomeZone or visit us at www.gethomezone.com and check us out. Thanks for watching.